Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects us all in this digital age, cybersecurity. So, buckle up as we explore the world of online security and how you can protect yourself in this interconnected digital landscape. Did you know that cybercrime is on the rise globally? It's not just about protecting your personal information, it's about safeguarding our interconnected society. Why does cybersecurity awareness matter? Well, in a world where we share so much online, from our personal details to financial information, it's crucial to understand the risks. Cyber threats, such as phishing, ransomware, and identity theft, can have severe consequences. The more we know, the better we can protect ourselves. Let's break down some common cyber threats you might encounter. Phishing. Cybercriminals often use deceptive emails or websites to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information. Ransomware, malicious software that encrypts your files, holding them hostage until you pay a ransom. Identity theft. Criminals steal personal information to impersonate someone for financial gain. Knowing these threats is the first step in defending yourself. Education is a powerful tool against cyber threats. By staying informed about the latest scams, updates, and best practices, we can create a safer online environment. Many organizations offer free cybersecurity courses and resources, empowering individuals to enhance their digital literacy. Now, let's get practical. Here are some tips to boost your cybersecurity. Strong passwords. Use complex, unique passwords for each account. Two-factor authentication. Enable 2FA for an additional layer of security. Update regularly. Keep your software, antivirus, and operating system up to date. Back up your data. Regularly back up important files to avoid data loss. Be skeptical. Question unexpected emails or messages, and verify their legitimacy before clicking on links. By educating ourselves and others, we can contribute to a safer digital space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.